Ever taken a perfect photo that was almost ruined by an unwanted distraction? Well, say goodbye to those pesky blemishes with your iPhone's built-in magic eraser. First, open the Photos app and select the picture you want to perfect, then tap the Edit button, usually found in the top right corner. Now, look for the feature that allows you to enhance your photos. Tap the three dots in a circle at the very top of the screen. From the options that appear, select Edit. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a row of editing tools. Tap on the icon that looks like a little circular brush. You might need to tap that icon once more to reveal the hidden tools. Look for the one that resembles a dotted circle. That's your magic eraser. Now, simply use your finger to draw a circle or a line directly over the object you want to remove. As you can see, the iPhone's intelligent software analyzes the surrounding area and seamlessly fills in the space, making the distraction vanish like magic. You can use this for anything awkward photobombers, stray branches, or even minor skin blemishes to create a cleaner, more polished look. Once you're happy with the result, tap Done in the bottom right corner. And just like that, you've effortlessly enhanced your photos, making your mobile photography skills shine with ease.